In this tutorial, we will learn how 7-segment display work. We have created an up counter and down counter here using 7-segment display. This is up counter. Here the up counter is printing decimal number from 0 to 9. And this is the second example. Here the down counter is printing decimal number from 9 to 0. One-digit 7-segment display contains 7 segments and a dot point. It has 7 bar graph LEDs for 7 segments. Each bar graph LEDs is denoted A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Those bar graph LEDs are activated by forward current. Activate a certain number of bar graph LEDs and displays certain letter and digit. 7-segment display are divided into 2 parts based on the connection of the bar graph LEDs. One is common cathode and other is common anode. In this tutorial, we have used common cathode 7-segment display. You can find the common cathode display number pattern in my website article. The circuit schematic is very quick simple. Here the common cathode 7-segment display is connected to Arduino pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here we have used 100 ohm resistor which is limiting the bar graph LED forward current. Here's the simple up counter Arduino code. In define section we have defined a 2-dimensional array which activate and deactivate 7 segment by 7 for 10 character. We have defined display write function header. Next we have defined an integer variable whose name is count. In setup we have set Arduino pin mode. In this case pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of Arduino board is an output pins. In the main loop we have created a for loop which increase the count variable value and call the display write function. The for loop will rotate for 500 milliseconds in a row. Here we have created a display write function. In this function we have set the pin variable value is 2. Next we have created a for loop which activate and deactivate the specific segment of the 7-segment display. Now we will upload the code in the Arduino board. The 7-segment display is serially printing the decimal value 0 to 9. In additional to numbers, we can display different type of character on the 7-segment display. This is the down counter Arduino code. The up counter and down counter code are same but it has little difference. In down counter we are setting the count variable value is 9 and we decrease the count variable value. Now we will upload the code in the Arduino board. The down counter is printing decimal number from 9 to 0. Thanks for watching. For more Arduino and microcontroller video or tutorial, visit my website. You can find the link in the video description box.